I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. Years ago, I purchased an inventory and this speedometer came with it. And I believe this is part number 25005-021, which would be for a 75 Z1. Goes to 160 and it has the white inlay on the inside. Now this would also work on the KZ900, the KZ1000. It'll fit almost everything up to 1980. However, I believe 77, 78 is about right for this, as well as 76 KZ900. Or if you got a smaller bike, you want it to go to 160, this is what you need to do. Now this was new old stock. It has this kind of mileage on it now because I personally put it on a bike to test it to make sure that it was good. Now when I got it, it had a little ding right here. I had Don Fulsang of Florida put a new bezel on it. So you can, if you really look close here on the bottom, it's not as you would like from the factory, but it's really, really, really nice. Comes with the wiring and everything. This is a good speedometer. This was brand new, but I had this bezel here replaced. This is a nice piece for a very nice restored bike. Thanks.